making a cheesy Alfredo bake. As promised in my last unboxing video for the Mistral induction cooker, I'll be making this easy 30-minute simple cheesy Alfredo bake. So now tune in with me and find out how to make this cheesy Alfredo bake for your family tonight. Before that, remember to subscribe to Baking Soda Kitchen so that you can be notified every time we post a new video. Now let's get straight into this video. So in the last video, I mentioned that I'll be doing a comprehensive tutorial on how to use the MIHC 1800 Mistral induction cooker. So in this video right now, I'm going to show you how to use this induction cooker. So that was the beep to signal that our pasta is fully cooked. The timer function works perfectly. You totally don't even have to stand by this stove while it's cooking the pasta. So now it's perfectly al dente. I'm going to go and strain it and then we can get with making the sauce, the Alfredo sauce for this pasta. Okay, now that our pasta is fully cooked, it's time to make our Alfredo sauce. To begin with, I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a hot pan. Alright, once that is added, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients required for this Alfredo. The next thing I'll be adding is the garlic. We have about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic that I'll be adding into the hot oil now. So once our garlic is added, I'm just going to give it a quick toss. So now our garlic is cooked, I'm going to be adding chili. So the chili is now added. I'm just going to give it a quick mix. So it's better to fry our mushrooms a little while in the oil. Okay, the mushrooms are now in. So I'm just going to give these mushrooms a quick little toss until they are slightly golden brown. So I've cooked the mushroom for about 1 or 2 minutes now. I'm going to add in about a pinch of salt. Even though pasta has some salt to the mushroom will also make it quite tasty. So once the salt is added, to know when your mushrooms are actually fully cooked, mushrooms actually release some water. That's when you know that your mushroom is completely cooked. Put on the lid and close it and cook it for about 2 to 5 minutes. So now our mushrooms have released a lot of water. I'm going to take out the lid. So to this, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour as a thickening agent. And then we're just going to mix this in. So now it may look a little bit weird now. After we add the milk in, it will all be fine. So don't worry. And at this point, we're going to add in 500 ml of milk, which is also about 3 cups. So now my milk is added and I'm going to give it a good mix and make sure that all the all-purpose flour dissolves in the milk so that it will thicken nicely to form our Alfredo sauce. I'm first going to add in some chili flakes. There's honestly no measurement to this. You can add in as much chili flakes or as little chili flakes as you want. But a good place would be about 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili flakes. I'm going to add in the mixed herbs blend. So just add in about 3 teaspoons of Italian herbs. You can add in a pinch of nutmeg. Nutmeg isn't completely necessary, just a pinch of it will do. But if you don't have nutmeg at home, then you can completely skip this and it won't affect your Alfredo at all. So now all my spices are mixed and now we just wait for this milk to thicken nicely into a sauce. The sauce is now rapidly boiling and perfectly thick. It looks so luscious and shiny and super thick. This is the perfect consistency for your Alfredo sauce. So now this is perfect. I'm just gonna add in my pepper, which is the last ingredient. Just about 1 teaspoon of pepper should be enough. So now this is perfect. I'm just gonna switch off the heat by pressing the off button over here. The heat is now switched off. We can add our pasta in. Here is my cooked pasta. So once your pasta is added, just give it a good mix. So I've mixed it nicely now. I'm gonna need some help pouring it into the baking dish that I have over here. So we're gonna do some transition here while I get this in here. So let's... And just like that, our Alfredo is transferred into the baking dish. Okay, now to top off our Alfredo, I have about 1 cup of mozzarella cheese that I'm gonna sprinkle over the top, and then we're gonna broil it in the oven. But I just want to let you know that you need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius at this point before we broil it. So I'm just gonna lather our pasta up with about 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. You can definitely add more if you prefer to have more cheese on your pasta as well. I've now added the cheese to our pasta. It's time to broil it. So come on with me. We can go and broil this in the oven right now. Alright, I'm gonna put it in the oven now. So now we're just gonna broil this at 180 degrees Celsius until the top is completely brown. It depends on your oven. It normally takes about 8 to 10 minutes on average. So now our pasta is ready and it looks super delicious. So that was our cheesy Alfredo bake. It was such a simple recipe and can easily be done in under 30 minutes. So definitely give this recipe a try and you can make it for your family for dinner. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are interested to purchase this product, the link is in the description. Please subscribe to Baking Soda Kitchen if you found this video interesting, and I'll see you next time in another one of our recipes. Bye for now!